Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to change the status of the voucher under the voucher list page in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Here, we have to open the respective shipment or job. Now, the shipment details page will be displayed on the screen. On the shipment details page, here we have to select the costing tab. Then we have to select the voucher list button. On this voucher list page, we can change the status of the voucher by clicking the change button. Now we have to change the status of the voucher as approved using the drop down list. Then we have to click the save button. After approval, we have to change the status approved to posted. Then we have to click the save button. Now we can view the voucher status changed. This is how to change the status of the voucher under the voucher list page in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.